finally getting to the fun stuff now. I'm actually gonna make a panel to go in front so we won't see this MDF anymore. I made this test piece just to make sure that I could get the wood as far over as I could. So I'm going to transfer this shape over to the main piece. The next thing I need to do is just put the backs of the seats back in, just to make sure when I put the seats up, it doesn't hit the wood. So my goal right now is to find a way to get this front piece to attach to the woofer box. I plan on doing that by using magnets. These are the ones that I'm using. They're neodymium magnets, about 1 1/4 inch. I've got the 4 magnets, 4 on the woofer box, and then the 4 on this beauty panel part right here. So it goes together like that. And these magnets are super strong. So I'm gonna be using some scraps. I'm gonna use some of these and then some templates, and I'm just gonna try to come up with some kind of design that looks good on here. I've got a design figured out. It's based roughly on the front grille of the truck. And then I have this one piece that's going to be going across the middle. This one will be running across underneath the amp. I just need to get some scraps and template tape them onto the edges here just so I can get these shapes. So I think I've got the basic shape of this trim piece that I wanted to do. The only thing I want to change, I want to make this piece a little bit wider. So I'm just going to trim out this outside piece and then shift the piece over just a little bit. Do it equally on both sides and then cut from there. I wanted to make the piece wide enough just so I can get some LEDs on the inside here. Kind of wanted to keep them a little bit more concealed, but also have enough surface area to mount the magnet so I could get it attached to the panel. So I got this template cut out. The next thing I'm going to do is transfer this shape over to a 3/4 inch piece of MDF. So I just have this trim stuck up here with some two-sided tape. I just have to put it in the truck just to make sure everything's fine, that it's not hitting the seat or anything like that at all. But it's far from being done. I still got a little bit to trim on the sides, just some of the detail work before I start putting the LEDs and all that stuff in here. But it's coming along. I'll just continue that in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions about it. And I'll see you in the next video.